Hi everyone, welcome again. This is Eric Auto Center, the home of auto. I want to show you something about this car. But on my YouTube channel, I used to talk about periodic maintenance, and I'll say it again and again and again. Something terrible has happened to this car due to irregular maintenance. A customer bought this car complaining about a whole lot: rough idling, engine misfiring, fuel consumption, and at the same time smoking. But when we diagnose, we see a lot of things that has happened to most cars, which is related to irregular maintenance. In this video, what you have seen there is oil that has sludged inside the engine. On top of this, you can see the oil. The engine has totally damaged. The engine must be overhauled or need to be changed. Just two options. I know that about it. Why? Because due to regular maintenance, periodic maintenance cause this huge damage, and a customer has to spend a lot of money to buy a replaced engine. It can't be overhauled because it may be a dicey to be overhauled. It may be a dicey to guarantee. It may be a dicey to perform well. So the best thing is to replace this engine. And when you are watching this video, make sure you put it in mind, set your reminder. Engine oil deterioration is not determined by looking, but it is amount of time used or a distance driven. That is why we set up a maintenance schedule for every 5,000 kilometers or 3 months. But when you schedule your maintenance to 6 months or 10,000 kilometers, then you may cause a lot of damage to your engine, and you always spend on an engine. So take note about that. This is not good at all. It's not encouraging. Looking at the engine, how it is supposed to be clean, but nevertheless, I tell you, it's not easy, and the damage has done. So we need to put things in place and set up how we're gonna fix this engine back to normal. We are watching Eric Auto Center, the home of all the mechanical tips tutorials. We also give you fundamentals, basic hit, and the principles. So subscribe to this channel. I know you haven't done yet. Hit the bell to stay updated whenever we release a new video.